Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about society. Topic is society and this is video number 1. This is English vocabulary and specifically in particular for IELTS and TOEFL students. So as you know, I have covered more than 27 common topics for IELTS and TOEFL tests and in general for any English learner. So open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. So we are nowadays at this topic. Please look at description box for updates and link to my Facebook group. Like and comment to encourage me, share with others to help them, and subscribe and press bell icon to get more videos on grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. Community center. Community center is a building used for social gatherings or educational activities. A building used for social gatherings and educational activities. When you are talking about society, community center is a good word that we can use in this context. The local council would spend money to build a new community center in the city center so that people can interact with each other. Interact with each other is also good word. Interact with each other. Social norms or social values or social ethics. Social norms, social values, social ethics. So let us look at collective representations. Collective representations of acceptable group conduct means something that is acceptable in the whole society. Okay, these are social norms or values or ethics. Many of the Indian social norms come from their both Muslim and Hindu religions. There are two religions. So many of the Indian social norms come from both Muslim and Hindu religions. Many migrants assimilated to American social norms and clothing styles. Assimilated mean they have become similar to American social and norms. So they are from other country, but now they have similar style of clothing and norms. So it means they have assimilated to the local culture. Okay. Conform is a verb and conformity is a noun. Is very good word when you are talking about society, and this is also very good when you are talking about school and uniform. They conform me to follow the normal standard as expected by society or as expected by some organization or something like that. For example, advertisement, you can use in advertisement also. People see their in celebrity, you can use also this word. People use their celebrities in TVs and they want to conform as they are. Okay, they want to imitate their appearance, something like that. Synonym can be conventionally or compliance. Can be a compliance, can be conventionally. All employees must conform to a strict dress code. All employees must conform to a strict dress code. So all employees must conform to a strict dress code. Okay. Some characteristics of minorities don't conform with our national norms. Some characteristics of minorities don't conform with our national norms. Diversity. Diversity is a noun when there is a range of many people, when there is a range of many people or things that are very different from each other is called diversity. Diversity. There is a range of many people or things that are very different from each other. It's called diversity. You can say a very good collocation: cultural diversity and ethnic diversity. Don't note it down. This word is very good. Note these collocations also. Our national television reflects the ethnic and cultural diversity of all minority groups. Our national television reflects the ethnic and cultural diversity of all minority groups. Canada is well known for its religious diversity because there are different religions. Ethnic. Ethnic is an adjective. It means something that has relation to a particular race. Is called ethnic, and its noun form is ethnicity. So at one place you use a noun form. Oh, sorry. Let me see. Okay. At one place you use the adjective form, and at other form, at other place you can use noun form. This is called variation of language, range of vocabulary. Okay, something that has relationship to a particular race. Example sentences: people from ethnic minorities often face discrimination in the job market. For example, black people often face discrimination in the US in the job market. This is called ethnic. This is not always, but sometimes. So don't mind if it is against your opinion. The legislation must be enforced. The legislation must be enforced equally, irrespective of someone's ethnic origin. So legislation or rules or laws are equal for every person. Okay, so the legislation must be enforced. Enforced is a very good word. If you have not seen my vocabulary on crime and punishment, look and you will see this word there. Legislation, you will see there. Equally, irrespective of someone's ethnic origin. Racism. Racism is a noun. It means an unfair and violent treatment towards people who belong to a different race. This is called racism. Racism is racial discrimination or racial prejudice. These are synonyms. Racism is a deeply rooted prejudice. Prejudice is very good word. Note it down. If you don't know meaning, wait, maybe I explain in the course. If not, you can Google it. In the USA, especially against black ethnic minorities, the government has passed a legislation to combat racism at workplace. Okay, to combat, to resolve the problem, to tackle it down. Customs. Customs is a noun. It means a activity or a behavior that is common or is accepted in everyday life. Is called customs. Collocations can be a local custom, an ancient custom, and a tribal custom. We can say a marriage custom, a burial custom, different from different countries. So these are customs. Synonym can be a tradition, a practice, a convention, a ritual. Can be a ritual also. Example sentences: the majority of migrants are unfamiliar with the local customs and culture. They are unfamiliar with local customs and culture. The custom of the custom of lighting the Olympic flame goes back centuries. Is a very old custom. Traditions. Traditions is a noun. It means a custom or belief that has existed for a long time. Is called custom or belief. A custom or belief that has existed for a long time. Religious, cultural, and ancient traditions. A religious tradition, a cultural tradition, and ancient tradition. Fireworks on the 4th of July is a tradition in America. Fireworks on the 4th of July is a tradition in America. Local people decided to revive their old traditions. Local people decided to revive their old traditions. Revive. You know what is the meaning of revive? Okay. To something that have become forgotten, but they want to make it alive, make it more common. Culture shock. Culture shock is a noun. It means anxiety or confusion that we experience when someone arrives in a country or city that it is not his own country, in other country, and this anxiety or confusion is related to culture. Diana experienced a great culture shock when she first came to the UK. It was a real culture shock for her to be in New York after living in a small city. So this word culture shock often is used in writing when you are talking about migrating to different countries or something like that. Okay, you can use there. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please like, comment, subscribe, press this button, press this one also, share with your friends, subscribe, press this button also. What is this? Bell icon. So if you do this, I will make more videos on all of these topics. Thank you. Thank you.